Welcome back. So we will go back again and try to learn the Elementor and its various widgets which are available for us to go and make use of it to make our website. All right, let's go back to my screen. All right, so we were up to this place. Now let's go back and learn a couple of more things. Let me add a widget here. I put this. All right, now here we have seen up to the video. Now we are going to add a button. So button is a very interesting thing which you can go and create. So here it says click the here. Want to change it to anything else, you can just go and type. Let's say learn more. That's my button. And try type is the info, success, warning, what kind of button it is. Is it a danger button or is it a warning button? So it is a success button or it is a info button or it is a default one. Right? So here you can go and choose what kind of button it is. And here you can go and have your text. Below that is the link when people click on the button where they are going to go. Yes. All right. So let's say I want to make people go to my social media. Let's on a Facebook subscribe button, which will come here. As I copy this button link, which I have got, and place it here. Okay. Or I could say rather than learn more, uh, watch, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yes, yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, this is nice. Then alignment, same thing here as well. How do you want to align the button? All right. Then comes the size. Size of the button is going to be small, large, extra large. Up to you. How do you want to have it? Then comes the icon. So here you want to add an icon here as well. You can go and choose enable. I do not have any icon right now, but in case you've got any icon, you can go and insert the icon and put it from here. Icon library. I've got a lot many icons available. I can just video insert. Now you see I've got an icon here as well, which people can see. Now where you want to put this icon, by the way, it is before and after. And here you got to see the icon one. Icon spacing. You want this icon to be far, near, all up to you. So you're not able to see the effect. Let's see if I make this alignment as a left alignment. Now you could see the icon. Is it going to be far, near or something? You can go and change it here as well. Right, button ID. So in case you want to use this button, when people click here, it should go somewhere onto the page here. So in that case, you have to go and give the button ID as well. But right now it is not required. We will go ahead with this one. Okay, then come the styling of this button. You can have the typography. This is all you have seen in the earlier sections. It is a similar kind of thing. We can go and put it on your button as well. All right, let's move on. Now here after button, we are going to have the divider. This is a very nice thing. Sometimes it might happen that when you create a content, it's a lot of content and you want to create a space between that. So it is good to divide it so that it will give you proper attention to the people to when they're looking at the content. Now here, this is the style of this spacer. Now this could be a solid button, double lined, dotted line, curly, dashed, right? You see different kind of stuffs you can go and create. Zigzag, anything, any kind of thing. And you can see and change the width. You want the small one, big one, full width or something, you can go and choose it. Same with the element here as well. And do you want to add an element? Let's say I want to add a text. Now here I say uh, uh, watch the watch the next section. right? And you see here, this is nice. So, I mean, it really gets a lot of attention here. Or you want to add an icon as well. So let's say there's a star icon, right? You can do that job as well. It looks nice. All right. Want to put a text? Text is here. Anything of your choice, you can go and put it here. All right. This again, you can go and do the styling as well in terms of creating the color combinations of your own choice, size. All right. This looks nice. Amount, how much zigzag you want, too much, wavy. This is a nice, like, very thing. Gap. You want to keep the gap between these sections. For the text again, here's the color. You want to change the text color from here, this back to the navy blue. Typography. Then again, the position. You want to put in this corner, or in the center. This can be placed. Same goes with the spacing, text and the spacing here. And then comes the advanced section. Right, this is a nice feature, as I said, which will help you in creating the separation between the two different kind of a content, which holds the attention of the people here, which is a nice thing to have. All right, I think this is good. When I go to typography, let's say, this font is pretty big, small, so you want to make it big. So in that case, I can go and make it transformation is the capitalize, and I want to make it 900, so it looks big. And here, this is nice. I want to make the size big. Right, you see, this is how it can be done as well. I want to change the font, rockstar, line height, up and down, line spacing. All these features are available for you to go and make use of it. All right, let's move on to the next one. I go and choose another one, button. So we have seen the button, we have seen the divider. Now we will go and look at the spacer. So divider and spacer, they more or less, let's look at this one. How does it look like? So you would be able to understand the difference here. So the spacer is going to create the space between two sections here. For example, now here, this YouTube and this one, I want to create a space between these two. So what do? First, let me take it out from here. I go and between YouTube, I plus here. Now here I will go and add the one full width and I put the spacer. Now you see, it has been, space has been created. Now I want to make this space more wider or less, I can go and choose it. Right, this is a nice thing to create the space between two different elements onto the website. Okay, let's come down further. So by the way, let's say it's all good. Plus button spacer is over. Now we've got Google Maps. Very nice thing to do. This most often you guys would be using it. So right now you see here it is the location. It says, now see the format of this. London, UK. Let's say I want to put another location here. Let's see, does it work out? I could say, let's say want to put the Shahakar Nagar, Bangalore, India. Yes, you got it. So right now we are in Shahakanagar, Bangalore, India. And in this way, you can go and put the map. Now, what if can I put a location as well? Consulting LLP, Bangalore, India. Oh, yes, it can pick up your business name if it is listed onto the Google as well. Right, very cool features. You don't have to worry about anything. Just go and put in a type in your location. It will. You can go and zoom in the map as well. You see, I'm more zooming, and if I go further down, you got to see this is giving me exact location where this place is located. Now you want to increase the height of this map. All right, so you see the height of the map has been increased. So this is nice to have. I mean, I can keep it up to 500 for 420 something. I can go and have this size. RAVI Ramya Ventures Pune India. You see, we have got another location as well. So don't zoom too much. Back again here. I think this is better zooming. Got it? This is nice feature to have. In the same, we can go and do the styling as well. Normal and hovering. Transition duration, if you want to have something on that side, you can go and choose it. But I don't recommend you to do because this would be a kind of inconvenience to the people around. All right, let's move on. Back again here, one more we look at plus button. So we have seen the map. Now we are going to look at an icon. Now here I want to put an icon of any choice. You can go and look at the icon library. So here you've got millions of icons already available. You can use all icons, font awesome regular ones, font awesome solid ones, font awesome branded ones. Let's say I want to put the icon for Facebook. Just go and pick it up, insert, and the icons are here. Want to link this icon to any place? You can just go and link it up. Icon location, like this you can go ahead and happen. Now, how do you use it? So in case, let's say you've got multiple companies to show. For example, let me see if I can do that job here. So first thing first, look, at a time you can have only one icon. You cannot have multiple icons. Let's move to the next one. Select plus. So icons are, now we are going to look at some of the pro features. This is what we saw right now, the basic features which are given by Elementor. Let's say post. Now, if I go and put in the post here, now here the posts are basically when you write the blog post. Now, whatever blog post you are writing, the blog post would be coming up here. So here the skin is right now in the classic. It will come in the card format like this, or it can come in the full content, like the full entire content would be published here. How many posts per pages you can have? 6. You can have any min you want. Let's say I want to put the cards format. So right now we do not have any blog here, so you are only seeing this empty one, but you can have whatever number of blogs you want to show on a page. Do you want to show the images? Yes, if there's no image right now, but in case there is an image attached to this blog, that would be shown here. Masonry style, image size, you can go and define here. Title is already here for you. Excerpt is this two-liner. What you see is the excerpt. Don't want to show, you can uncheck that one. Read more button is there so that people can go and read further into the post. Now when they click here, how it is going to happen? Do you want it to open in a new window? Make it yes. People click and a new window will open here. Right? Batch category. Now when you're writing the blog post, so probably you would be writing in a various categories. So whatever category of blogs you want to show here, you can go and pick up from here as well. All those categories will come here and you would be able to show the content to the people around. Query. Include. Now here, include the post by the name of terms. If the blog post are containing particular terms, you want to show that, or you want to show the blogs by the name of the authors. If you've got multiple authors who are writing content on your website, you can choose that as well. Then ordering the blog post on the basis of dates, when it was written or posted, or ordering on the basis of description, ascending order and descending order. Pagination is good to have. You can keep the page if you've got too many blog posts you have written. So let's say on a page you want to show only 10 blog posts and you've got around 50, right? 50. So in that case, when you put the pagination, so people can click, the next set of 5 will come, next set of 5 will come. That is what the pagination is all about, right? So this is a nice feature for you to showcase your blog post. Please understand, this is all about you showcasing your blog post. Next, then comes the portfolio. This is a nice thing. If portfolio means if you want to showcase a particular product or service, then in that case you will go and create the portfolio. So it's a right now it is a 3 column, 4 column up to 6 column you can go and create. Post per page is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Missionary style you want to show, or in you want to show in the regular style. I don't have any content here, so that's why you're not able to see this. Again, the showing your blog post. So see the post.